Hi, I'm John from thepigroup.com. I'm here to talk about the current California Funeral Director License Test. Questions on the California Funeral Director License Test can come from 7 different government code books and a lot of hands-on information. Our study package also includes quite a bit of material for the cemetery manager test, and it's got introduction information to a lot of other related activities and licenses. It's a very hard test. Most people fail at least one. There's multiple versions of the test. Let me give you a few sample questions to give you ideas of things that they might be asking you something similar to. Here's a question topic example. What would you answer if they asked you, what is the minimum depth you must bury a casket underground? Here's a topic most people get wrong. Can you tell me, when is it that a domestic partner can actually make the arrangements? Not every domestic partner can. There's a certain requirement involved. Would you be able to answer a question if they asked you, when can you be punished for not refrigerating unembalmed human remains? Most questions on the test are actually things you would need to know if you were going to be a funeral director. So what if they asked you, where exactly must the warning placard be regarding the embalming room? Finally, one more topic. How would you answer if they asked you, what records must you keep for 10 years regarding every cremation? Give us a call about our giant funeral director licensing package. The number is 818-883-6969 and the website is thepigroup.com.